Plop, plop, fizz, fizz. You know what that's all about, right? Alka-Seltzer. Now, I'm not concerned about the medicine aspect of Alka-Seltzer. I'm concerned about, yeah, that's right, the fizzing aspect, because that fizzing action, those carbon dioxide bubbles, well, they could power something pretty fun. Which leads me to the second part of the mystery, and that's this, a film canister. Now, if you have no idea what those two words mean, film, canister, go ask somebody who's old and they'll tell you. That's for a different segment at a different time. But there's some amazing things you can do with a film canister. So watch, this was part of the fun. So you'd put a little bit of water in the film canister like this. And then you drop an Alka-Seltzer down inside. And now you seal it up like this, good. And now you let it build up pressure. So it built up a little bit of pressure inside and all that carbon dioxide is a perfect way to, it's just very exciting. So we're thinking, you know, that's not a science experiment. That's just kind of messing around. So if you want to do a science experiment, you got to have a variable. So 3 different amounts of liquid, right? And if you drop in the Alka-Seltzers like this, so here we go like this, and now you put the lids on the lid on top. Here we go. There's 1. Can I even do it fast enough? There's 2, and here's 3. You can see kind of the time that it takes for these to be able to pop along the way. It's fantastic because it doesn't really make a huge mess and it doesn't scare anybody. But then we were thinking, wow, what if you could do this like a time delay reaction? That would be fun. And for that, you're going to need to find that little spacer. You can just make it yourself. It's fine. That spacer goes in here with the water. So now look, you can drop the Alka-Seltzer on top and it doesn't mix with the water. See how it separates it from the water? Look at that. Alka-Seltzer here, water here. So now we don't have to worry about anything. You just put the lid on like this, and now these can stay this way for the longest period of time until you flip them over. Then they're ready to go. And once you flip them over, well, now everything is ready to go. So now you're building up that action, or that bubbling action inside the carbon dioxide that's there. And when they finally pop along the way, oh, this is fantastic. When they finally go along the way, see, they shoot up. And if you don't have marks on your ceiling, you're just not trying hard enough. But you know what? Anything worth doing is worth overdoing. That's why if you get a bunch of friends, and one of those friends has a box truck, and they're unsuspecting what can happen, this could be a ton of fun.
Okay, ready, set, turn them over. Good job. Take the top tray off fast. Put it underneath. Good job. That's good. That's good. No problem.
What a mess. I'm Steve Spangler, and that's your Fizzing Science Minute.